Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to print a website page on a Firefox browser. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download Firefox from there if you already do not have Firefox on your PC. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So as you can see in the middle of the screen we have the search box, and we have it at the top side of the screen also. We have the add shortcuts, and here you can go and add some new tabs. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have the three horizontal lines here. As you can see, we have a lot of different options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and print a website page on a Firefox browser. So launch Firefox on your computer as I already told you, and go to the web page you want to print. So for instance, let's go and type in a page. So you can go to, for instance, Amazon. Now when we are there, you need to go and to open to print menu, you need to, for Windows, click Ctrl+P. So just click Ctrl+P and this will open. For macOS, press Command+P. The print preview window will open, showing you how the page will look when printed. Adjust the print settings such as orientation, margins, and which pages you want to print. Click the print button to send the web page you want to your printer. And then just click print. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.